Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to the third part of my logo design tutorial series. And the first part, I traced the logo to create a clean scalable version. And the second part, I brought it to life by applying color, gradient and shadow. Now, in this final part, I will take the design and the next level by exploring Mockup and Photoshop and adding 2D effects Illustrator. And we will compare both approaches to see which enhance the logo better. So why you waiting? Let's make it possible. Let's start. First, click on the logo and we change the stroke. Click on the stroke color and just choose the white color and change the stroke size to 3. Select the text and click on the stroke, change the color to white and make the size of a stroke 2. I think it's not looking good, and just change the stroke size by 2. And then click on the 3D and material panel. If you don't find your 3D and material panel here, and just go to the effect, you will find out there. So click on the extrude, set the logo angle and then click on the bevel and choose the round. Adjust the width and then increase the width a little and also increase the height. And then click on the material and make the roughness 0 and increase the metallic. And then click on the lightning and increase the intensity 119% and increase the rotation to 160 degree and also increase the height to 63 degree and also increase the softness to 100% and also increase the ambient light intensity to 76%. And click on the shadow option. Here you go, your 3D is ready. So now it's time to apply Mockup on using Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into the Photoshop. So this is the Photoshop and we are here to apply Mockup on our logo. So let's start. So this is my Mockup and I am going to apply this Mockup on my logo. So this is very simple and you can see this is this place of the design. I am going to click on it and now I'm going to place my design here, place my logo here and the Mockup will be applied. While you're waiting, let's check the magic. So go to the file and click on the place embed and choose the file and now adjust the logo. Press Ctrl+S to save and leave this place and come to the main file. Wow, it's really fantastic. It looks perfect now. I love Mockup because they bring design into the life, transforming simple concept into the realistic visuals. They will help always to showcase how a design will look in the real world. Hope you learned many things in my tutorial and this final part. We used a Mockup and Photoshop and added 3D effect in Illustrator to see which one looks better for the logo. I hope this series helped you understand how to trace, color, and enhance your logo. Don't forget to subscribe to the Academy, like, share, and leave your comment below about which style you like the most and what tutorials you want to see in the next. So thank you very much for watching.